Digital transformation is accelerating worldwide. In response, how can we automate equipment on production floors? Also, how can we improve efficiency? These are issues that must be addressed in order to succeed in business. Also, as you know, human resource shortages are a major business risk worldwide, especially in the field of manufacturing. At the same time, we cannot overlook the problem of aging equipment. You are probably aware that improving the efficiency of equipment maintenance is a big challenge for many companies. So, based on this, what can we say? For one thing, inverters are becoming increasingly important. This is because they are indispensable in the operation of on-site equipment. Inverters also must advance as equipment and facilities evolve. As evidence of this, inverter specifications have often needed to change over the years in order to achieve energy and labor savings and compliance with international standards. Fuji Electric started selling inverters in 1976. Since then, we have consistently met the evolving needs of customers and have delivered performance and functionality that exceeds expectations. Currently, even higher performance and functionality are required. Needs include improved environmental resistance, high speed and accuracy, and life expectancy diagnosis. Against this backdrop, we developed a new product that meets these high-level needs. This is the FRENIC-MEGA G2, a highly functional multifunctional inverter. Currently, we offer a wide range of products, from compact inverters with simple performance and functionality to premium inverters with high performance and multi-functionality. Among these products, we released the FRENIC-MEGA G2 as the successor to the FRENIC-MEGA G1, the flagship model of our multifunctional general-purpose inverters. Let's take a closer look at FRENIC-MEGA G2. First, we will explain the three product features that we want you to remember the most. Here is the first feature. It's responsiveness. In order to manufacture high-quality products and increase efficiency, it is obviously important that equipment and facilities operate in a stable manner. The FRENIC-MEGA G2 helps achieve this by offering the highest level of responsiveness. For example, if you are a machine tool manufacturer, you may have noticed machine quality has declined. One of the causes of this is irregular rotation in motors, which is due to impact and shock during processing. Therefore, we greatly enhanced the basic performance of the product. We doubled its current response to 1000 Hz, twice that of the conventional product. It has the highest level of control responsiveness in the industry. We also improved its speed response to 200 Hz when a speed sensor is used. It also achieves approximately twice the performance of conventional products. This reduces the speed fluctuation caused by the load on the motor. We succeeded in reducing the time required for the lowered motor speed to return to the specified speed. Its faster response and better stability improves and stabilizes the processing quality of equipment. We also enhanced its ability to handle impact loads. Its high-speed response and current control minimize motor speed fluctuations. Let's look at an example of what can be improved by enhancing its ability to respond to impact loads. Here is an example related to metal processing. Metalworking machines cut objects while rotating them at high speeds with a motor. To do this, the inverter switches the motor speed according to the shape and hardness of the objects. After this, the objects are processed according to the design specification. However, using the conventional inverter on the left, defects can be seen in the processing. On the other hand, take a look at the cutting performance of the FRENIC-MEGA G2 on the right. As can be seen, the processing was very clean. This shows that the enhanced control cycle improves stability at very low speeds, thereby reducing quality defects and fluctuations. Next, let's look at the second feature. The second feature is its predictive maintenance function. It uses a proprietary algorithm to protect equipment from trouble. Utilized in railways, mobility, renewable energy power generators, and consumer appliances for manufacturing equipment. We are a company that develops and manufactures the power semiconductors that are indispensable for these types of applications. We also make use of our manufacturing strength in the field of inverters, since their main components are power semiconductor IGBTs. For example, we calculate the degree of fatigue damage in IGBTs in order to estimate the remaining life expectancy. The product is equipped with a function that issues a non-fatal fault when life expectancy reaches 10% and informs operators of maintenance periods. It uses an integrated proprietary deterioration diagnosis algorithm to monitor and notify the life expectancy. This enables operators to perform maintenance before IGBT failures cause inverter tripping. It is easy to imagine how this could also reduce takt time. Also, have you ever had an inverter suddenly trip due to dust clogging the cooling fins because of long-term use? It is for this reason that the FRENIC-MEGA G2 comes with a new cooling capacity degradation alarm. This system can check the level of cooling performance degradation and alert us to take necessary steps. By providing data-based maintenance recommendations for fin cleaning and fan replacement, it prevents inverter stoppages caused by sudden overheating trips. Similar to IGBT life expectancy forecasting, this function contributes to reducing takt time. Finally, let's look at the third feature. The third feature is its environmental resistance that enables it to be installed outdoors in adverse conditions. This means that the FRENIC-MEGA G2 provides extremely good cooling performance. When an inverter is installed in a panel, the heat generated by the inverter must be discharged outside the panel. There are two main ways to do this. One way is to install fans and heat exchangers in the panel. Another way is to mount the main cooling unit of the inverter outside the panel and discharge the exhaust heat directly to the outside. However, the first method increases the size and cost of the panel, and the second method makes it difficult to install in adverse environments. Therefore, this product provides IP55 protection for its main cooling unit to enhance its waterproof and dustproof performance. We have improved the environmental resistance so that its out-of-panel cooling unit can be used in adverse environments. This very useful feature eliminates the need for heat exchangers and reduces the size and cost of the panel. So, what do you think of the FRENIC-MEGA G2? We have described 3 of its distinctive features. Finally, we would like to summarize the benefits of using this product. The FRENIC-MEGA G2 dramatically increases on-site production efficiency by stabilizing operation and reducing quality irregularities and operating loss. As we mentioned at the beginning of this presentation, its features are absolutely necessary to succeed in business and achieve digital transformation. It also helps reduce maintenance loads. It is effective not only in troubleshooting and reducing downtime due to sudden stoppages, but also in overcoming labor shortages by streamlining operations. It also achieves space and cost savings. A single FRENIC-MEGA G2 inverter can deliver a multitude of benefits to production sites. The FRENIC-MEGA G2 also has many other features. In addition to the 3 features already mentioned, we will also introduce some of its other features too. Here, what we will talk about includes all responses to questions from customers who have already used our inverters. We hope this material will help you better understand our products. First, the product comes with some new functionality. For example, it comes with an orientation function that controls the positioning of rotating bodies for machine tools. It has a positioning function for conveyance machines. It supports light-load double-speed operations for cranes and hoists. To meet as many customer needs as possible, it comes with features that can be applied to a variety of industries. Let's look at compatibility. It is very easy to replace a conventional Mega G1 with a Mega G2. From the viewpoint of hardware, it is designed with the same external dimensions and mounting screw locations as the Mega G1. Therefore, it can be installed as is without having to change the layout in the panel or create new mounting holes. The three-dimensional position and size of the main circuit terminal are also the same. Therefore, there is no need to change the wire length or crimp terminal size. For customers who have been using Mega G1, another benefit of Mega G2 is that it does not require much cost or labor to install. From the viewpoint of software, it comes with a compatibility mode for Mega G1. Parameters can be read from Mega G1 and imported directly into Mega G2. The new features provided by Mega G2 require some customer configuration, but if they are not needed, they can be used for data copying only. Mega G2 was designed so that its software could be used continuously with peace of mind. Next, we will look at its control terminal block. When doing the replacement work, the amount of time required depends greatly on the settings of the terminal block. This product uses a rod-shaped terminal block. The number of terminals was increased from 35 to 44. The use of rod-shaped terminals makes wiring easier, and the increase in power supply terminals and common terminals also improves workability. Customers who use multiple terminals together can now reduce the number of terminals they need. The product is also compatible with Mega G1 in terms of its control terminal block. Customers using Mega G1 can continue using their terminal blocks as is by simply mounting them to Mega G2. There is no need to rewire the control wires. Furthermore, Mega G1 is also available with round terminals as a replacement option. This enables customers to use round terminals with Mega G2 if they want. Another feature of this product series is its improved terminal block usability. Next is its variety of models. 3 models are available: a standard type, EMC filter built-in type, and DC reactor built-in type. Each type comes in a lineup of 200-volt and 400-volt products. Similar to the Mega G1, the Mega G2 supports a wide range of capacities from 0.4 kilowatts to 630 kilowatts. Customers can choose products that are appropriate for their applications and environments. In real-life applications, inverters are very often connected to motors. Therefore, compatibility with motors is very important. Mega G2 can drive both induction motors and synchronous motors. For induction motors, the factory default parameters were changed from IE1 motors to IE3 motors. This enables customers who use this product to introduce IE3 motors without having to make any parameter adjustments. In addition, synchronous motors have traditionally been driven by GX1 synchronous motor drive types. Thankfully, however, Mega G2 standardly supports synchronous motor driving. It also supports sensorless vector control using a speed sensor. Mega G2 enables a wider variety of motor driving than ever before. Next, let's look at the inverter unit's keypad. It has also been redesigned. The product is available with a standard keypad and an optional multifunction keypad, both of which are new. the standard keypad comes with a new M-LED function. This allows operators to visually check the digital signal output. It also includes an M-Shift key. Digital signals can be input without using a control terminal block. The addition of these two functions makes it easier to debug host controllers. In terms of operation, this product comes with the same 7-segment LED and USB port as the conventional product. On the other hand, the multifunction keypad provides better visibility by using an LCD. Similar to the standard keypad, it comes with a USB port and can be connected to a loader. In addition, operators can acquire traceback data using an SD card and utilize alarm logs to check when alarms occurred. The keypad surface and sides provide IP55 waterproof protection, and it supports mobile loader connectivity using Bluetooth. These new features greatly improve convenience. The performance of a device's network connection strongly affects its usability. One of the product's features is its wireless connectivity using a mobile loader application. The multifunction keypad mentioned earlier can be used to connect to Bluetooth. This is useful for environments where wired connectivity is not available. It also makes it easy to acquire alarm data and monitor operating conditions with a single mobile device. This is extremely useful for maintaining and restoring systems. MEGA G2 also comes with an upgraded maintenance function. Fuji Electric products have traditionally been able to store up to 4 previous alarms with information on output voltage and frequency. The MEGA G2 is also able to acquire the time of the alarm occurrence. By using the multifunction keypad, you can acquire the waveform immediately before an alarm and save up to 100 log items to an SD card. These features give operators more ways to troubleshoot equipment failures and provide them with incentives to use MEGA G2. We mentioned earlier that the main cooling unit provides significantly improved waterproof and dustproof performance, but in addition, it has several other useful environmental resistance features. MEGA G2 supports an increased operating temperature of about 5 degrees Celsius and can withstand temperatures up to 55 degrees Celsius. It also comes standard with a substrate coating that is compatible with Class 3 C2. We are also developing a lineup of semi-standard products with enhanced salt resistance to improve environmental performance. This wider range of usage environments will be a great benefit to customers. Let's continue to take a closer look. Let me ask you a question. Do you know what a customizable logic function is? It is a simple PLC function built directly into the inverter. This enables operators to program the inverter. This product has expanded the number of allowable programming steps from a maximum of 10 steps to a maximum of 260 steps. As this number suggests, it allows operators to perform a much wider range of programming. Another feature is its flexible development environment. It allows operators to perform intuitive programming compatible with PC loaders and share user-created function blocks with other users, as well as assign management numbers to function blocks. Of course, you can also password protect your function blocks to enhance the security of your internal logic. This new functionality has expanded the range of combinations of various computation functions inside the inverter. Isn't it amazing that the power to control machines and applications is so readily available at your fingertips? Let's now take a look at its support for communication networks. The FRENIC-MEGA series has traditionally supported an extensive range of network communications. In the future, we plan to offer MEGA G2 with a lineup of optional cards for Ethernet-based communication protocols. It also provides good functional safety. MEGA G2 comes standard with safety functions, such as safe torque off STO. We place high importance on safety so that customers can use our products with peace of mind. We would like to cover one final thing about FRENIC-MEGA G2. If you currently use a 55 kilowatt inverter, you can reduce the panel cost. MEGA G1 requires a braking unit when utilizing a braking resistance above 30 kilowatts. In contrast, MEGA G2 has expanded the capacity range of its standard built-in braking transistor to 55 kilowatts for 200 volt products and to 75 kilowatts for 400 volt products. This eliminates the need for a braking unit and achieves space savings for the panel. It also contributes to cost savings overall. Therefore, FRENIC-MEGA G2 can reduce costs from a functional standpoint as well. If you have any questions about our FRENIC-MEGA G2, please contact Fuji Electric. Innovating Energy Technology, Fuji Electric.